Hey guys, on today's video I want to show you how to turn on and off your TV using your Apple TV. So it's actually pretty cool. All you guys have to talk to is Siri. So Siri could be on your iPhone, iPad, whatever. So right now here's my iPhone. It can be any iPhone as long as it has Hey Siri. So any iPhone from 6S and up will have Hey Siri, including the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. They all have Hey Siri. Anyways, so we can just talk to Hey Siri. Hey Siri, turn on Apple TV living room.
Okay, the living room is on.
So right now what it's gonna do is turn on the Apple TV itself. Once that turns on, the TV will detect that and then turn on the TV itself. So if you guys don't know what an Apple TV is, for example, here is one. So it's an actual device, you hook it up to your TV. So let me just turn this around the package. So here's a close-up of it. So it's an actual device that you guys hook up to your TV, and that way you guys can access this. So you guys can access Netflix, it has a bunch of apps, it has a ton of stuff. So right now I can also tell, hey Siri, turn off Apple TV living room.
Okay, the living room is off.
So the reason that I have to tell it which Apple TV, it's because we have two Apple TVs. We have one upstairs and one downstairs. So downstairs is called living room and we call the upstairs upstairs. So it depends. If you guys just have one Apple TV, you can just call it turn on Apple TV and it's just gonna turn on that one Apple TV. So the Apple TV is something we can control with our phone or with the controller that we got in our box. However, I just want to show you quickly what it has. You guys can download a ton of apps and you guys can take out a ton of apps, including games and such. So that's why people get maybe sometimes the 64 gig, because it does come with gigs, since you can install apps on it now. And right now, if we want to play games, for example, we can even use our Xbox One controller in order to play games right here on Apple TV. Anyways, just wanted to show you that pretty cool feature, because not many people know that you can turn on and off your TV just by talking to Siri. That's how you do it. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Hey Siri, turn off Apple TV living room.
Okay, the living room is off.
And there we go.